Welcome to TeachersFlow, the platform that helps teachers create smarter, faster, and more personalized learning experiences. My name is Mia, and I'll be your guide throughout this tutorial series. In the last video, we generated our first assessments using the assessment generator. In this tutorial, we'll explore the activities page, where you can create 5 types of activities: quiz, questionnaire, team project, anonymous voting, and keyword collector. When creating any activity, you need to select a title and due time. This is how much time students will have. After the activity starts, then select the group for which you want to create the activity. You can also use this AI feature, where you simply write a short prompt, and it automatically creates the whole activity and fills out all the fields. The last option available for all activities is this checkbox, Save to Individual Students. When activity expires, this means that once the activity ends, it will not only be saved in your activities page, but each student in the selected group will have a record of the activity in the group's page, either their own submission or the class submission. Each activity type has its own interface and differences. For example, for every question created in the quiz, you can determine how many points students get for a correct answer. You also have to select which answer is correct. In most activity types, you can choose between different question types. For example, in questionnaire and anonymous voting, there's also a 1 to 10 scale, something I'll show you later on. For team projects, you always need to create teams, and there are only 2 question types available here: text answer and PDF file upload. The last type is keyword collector, where besides the usual activity fields, you also choose the topic for the keywords. You'll understand all of this better after I show you some of my previously created activities. But before that, let's create our own quiz. Let's use the AI feature. I already prepared a prompt, as you can see. It doesn't have to be very complex. Just after a few seconds, the whole quiz is generated. The unique feature that only quizzes have is the automatic grading, which I'll keep on and explain to you later. Let's just select a group and create the quiz. You can share the activity with your students using a QR code, URL, or go to app.teachersflow.com/activity and insert the code from the link. I'll show you how it looks. As you can see, the activity hasn't started yet. To start the activity, click this button. From the student's perspective, the activity has now started. The student chooses their name, fills out the activity, and clicks the submit button. Let's quickly answer all the questions and submit the activity. From the teacher's perspective, you can see the student's submission. You can check the total points, see which answers were correct or incorrect. After the activity expires, the records are saved for each student. You can see them here in the group's page. And since we selected automatic grading, there's also a percentage score added in the progress tracker over here. Let's go back to the activities page, and I'll show you already submitted activities so you can see how each type looks. Questionnaire is very similar to a quiz, but there are no right or wrong answers. As you can see, this one uses the 1 to 10 scale type of answer. Anonymous voting works almost the same as a questionnaire, but the same voting results of the whole class are saved for each student record, and you, as a teacher, don't see who voted for what. For team projects, you always have submissions for the entire team and can download PDF answer submissions. And in keyword collector, you collect keywords that students submit in real time, and you can see how many times was each keyword mentioned. It's a great idea to share this one on the interactive board in your classroom, so students see their submission in real time and you can discuss each answer with your class. I highly recommend trying out all the activity types on your own, since this video can't show absolutely everything. Now, the last and really important feature I want to show you. After clicking on any expired activity, you can create automatic notes for students. This is extremely powerful thing. With just one prompt, you can generate personalized feedback for each student's submission. I already prepared a prompt, so let's try it out. Now, let's go to the group and see the results. Since I submitted this activity just with John, feedback was created only for him. You can probably imagine how much time this can actually save you. As I mentioned earlier, you should really try each activity yourself to see how it works best for you. You can use quizzes instead of traditional tests since they're automatically graded, and you can instantly create feedback or commentary to it, saving you tons of time. You can use questionnaires for self-assessments, anonymous voting for surveys or actual voting of something, team projects for file uploads and collaborative assignments, and keyword collector to quickly gathering of ideas or short phrases on a specific topic. And that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one, where I'll show you how to use the lesson planner.